Here are 4 helpful video tips for vacation home rental owners on a budget who want to make a great video of their vacation home. Planning your shoot. Before you start shooting, take some time to plan out your video. Think about the features of your vacation rental that you want to showcase and the best way to present them. Consider what time of day will have the best lighting, and if there are any rooms or areas that you want to highlight in particular. Make a shot list. Create a list of the different shots you want to capture in your video, including close-ups of key features, wide shots of the entire property, and any special details you want to emphasize. Think about music. Consider adding some background music to your video to give it a more professional and polished feel. Choose something that fits the mood and tone of your video. Capturing your footage. Use a tripod. To avoid shaky footage, invest in a tripod to keep your camera steady. Utilize natural lighting. Natural light is always the best option for capturing the true colors and ambience of your vacation rental. Open up all the curtains and doors to let in as much light as possible. Get creative with angles. Try filming from different angles and perspectives to add visual interest to your video. Consider using a drone. If you have a larger property or a unique outdoor space, consider using a drone to capture aerial footage. Editing your video. Choose the right software. There are many free or low-cost video editing software options available, such as iMovie, Filmora, or OpenShot. Keep it concise. Don't make your video too long. Aim for 1 to 2 minutes to keep viewers' attention. Use transitions. Add transitions between shots to create a smoother flow and enhance the overall visual appeal. Include a call to action. At the end of your video, include a call to action, such as a link to your vacation rental website or contact information. Publishing and promoting your video. Upload to YouTube. YouTube is a free and widely used platform for sharing videos. Upload your video to your own YouTube channel and consider adding relevant tags and descriptions to make it easier for people to find. Share on social media. Promote your video on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Consider boosting your posts for greater visibility. Embed on your website. Embed your video on your vacation rental website to give potential renters a better sense of what your property has to offer. Collect feedback. Encourage viewers to leave comments and feedback on your video to help improve your future videos and your vacation rental listing. Use these great tips for better video creation of your vacation home rental and enhance your presentation. Thank you.